Let's see what are flows and campaigns inside of your Klaviyo account. In a nutshell, campaigns are manual one-time sends to a group of subscribers. Think of your holiday promos or new product releases. On the other hand, flows are automated email sequences triggered by specific customer actions such as abandoned carts or pop-up signups. And these are the two main types of emails we'll be focusing on in this masterclass. Let's dive in deeper. First, let's look at their main differences and use cases. Triggered versus scheduled. As we said earlier, flows automatically trigger based on your customer's actions, while campaigns are manually scheduled. Reach. Flows target specific group of clients, whereas campaigns are broader and offer more control over timing and recipients. Frequency. Flows run continuously, whereas campaigns are one-time or occasional. Content. Flows adapt content dynamically, whereas campaigns use fixed content. Use cases. Flows are ideal for nurturing leads, recovering abandoned carts, sending product recommendations, and providing a personalized customer journey. Campaigns are suitable for sending newsletters, promotional offers, holiday greetings, product launches, and sensitive time announcements. Examples: campaigns. A new product or a collection launch is essentially a way for you to inform to your customers about an upcoming product or a collection and why they should be excited about it. The holiday campaign. These are campaigns you send out on major holidays such as 4th of July, Labor Day, Black Friday, and many more. If you're looking for more ways to use campaigns, we've got you covered with a dozen more campaign ideas and real examples you can swipe. If you'd like to skip ahead and check them out, I'll leave a link below this video for you to watch. Flows. Now let's review some flow examples. First, your OG, the abandoned cart flow, for people leaving stuff in their cart without purchasing. And your welcome series, for people joining your list for the first time, encouraging that first time sale. The win-back flow, for customers not buying from you for some time. And your birthday flow, just because it's their birthday. Automating your email marketing through flows frees up your time and resources. This allows you to focus your time on other areas in your business that require your attention. We'll cover a dozen more flow ideas in our dedicated flow video. If you'd like to check it out, the link is down below. Quick tip: to maintain a healthy Klaviyo account, strive for an equal balance between your flows and your campaigns to maximize your profits. If you want to keep scaling your account, we recommend you to watch these videos next. If you found this video helpful, it's part of our comprehensive email and SMS marketing masterclass. It's 100% free. I'll put a link down in the description box. Go ahead and check it out right now. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Klaviyo tutorials. And let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Together, let's take your email and SMS marketing to new heights. I'll see you in the next video.